So I finally got my Keychron Q2 and it looks amazing. This is one handsome keyboard. I'm glad I went with the space gray color. I got the fully built unit with a Keychron G Pro brown switches. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a quick impression. This is fully stock, no modifications at all. Let's see how it sounds and how it feels, and hopefully we can compare it with my Keychron Q1. So here's a typing test. So that is the stock Q2 with the great Keychron G Pro brown switches. It is what it is, the stock version. What are my thoughts? Pros, it looks good. The knob is certainly an awesome addition. I think I'll be able to use this a lot for my photo editing. I'm digging the color scheme of this space gray version. The keycaps are a huge improvement to the previous ABS keycaps from Keychron that I've tried. So I've tried using the Keychron K2 V2 keycaps, which were very thin and it didn't feel that nice, but the PBT keycaps on this one, amazing. The bad, what I don't like, supposedly they should have fixed the hollowness and the ping in the case already. And I think, although I haven't opened this keyboard yet, I think they've implemented their own force break mod using silicone sheets on specific parts of the contact point between the upper and the lower case. But honestly, I still think it's hollow and pingy. Okay, I would probably mod this. So of course, the modded Q1, my modded Q1 sounds way better than this. But again, we're talking stock to stock. So the stock Q1 is again more pingy, more hollow sounding. The stock Q2 improved that a little bit, but still not to my liking. So I'm gonna mod this guy. The flex is good. So I think they are using the steel plate on this one, and yet the typing feel is not that hard. So they improved the gasket if I'm not mistaken, and the flex is still there. But again, once I open this case up, I'll probably remove some of the filling materials in the lowercase portion. What else? The stabilizers, the review says that it's good. I think again the Q1 stabilizers are really good. The stabilizers are on this one, they're decent, they're okay. Probably would benefit from some lubing, but yeah. So unlike the Q1, which I changed to Everglides, I would be probably sticking with the stock stabilizers for the Q2, as I think it's really good enough. How are the switches? They call this the Keychron Pro G brown switches, something like that. Honestly, it feels very similar to the brown switches of Keychron that I've used with the Keychron K2 V2, but I will be modding these switches as well. I will be lubing them up and see how far it goes. So that's my quick impression. It's a good keyboard. It looks really nice. The keycaps are an awesome upgrade from the previous versions. The stabilizers are good. I appreciate the knob. I hope I will be able to use that. The pinginess and the hollowness is still there. So please stay tuned, because my next episode will be modding this bad boy to achieve the maximum quality that you can get for this unit. So I will not be changing the keycaps, I will not be changing the stabilizers, I will not be changing the switches, but I will be modding them, and I'm really excited to do that. So hope you guys like and subscribe, and wait for that video.